day. Back in the garrison. What are you doing? Eating out the bin. Out the bin.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're eating out the bin, mate. Gotcha! Oh my god.
Morning. Another day back in town. Guys, should have a 7 o'clock session today. Me and the man himself. You've seen him on my video before. So we got it down here. Started a bit late, really sorry about that. I mean, I was humping and dumping some stuff. Vlogging it for a while, guys. It's a case. I'm going to try and pick up the loose end. Starting from today. So, my apologies.
Yeah, so what's the plan for today, bud?
Okay, so it's going to be a real simple one. All we're going to do for time is 150 kettlebell swings. Every time you need to break for them kettlebell swings or you need to put that kettlebell down, you're going to do 5 press-ups, 10 squats and 250 meters on the rower. And then you'll go back to the kettlebell.
God.
150 kettlebells.
Just don't break. Just don't break.
This guy's a beast, man. It's gonna be a tough one.
Yeah, guys.
Well, lockdown restriction is getting lifted today, so that's good news. The shop's going to be open until 24 hours. It's going to be jam-packed, without a doubt, leading up to Christmas as well. So it's going to be a big one. You know, I'm a big Christmas fan also as well. I mean, I know I've not done this for a while, guys. Really do apologize. I know it's super busy. You don't even know. It's really busy. But now we got Dan himself started his YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to put the link in the description. Make sure you go and check him out as well. It's a good lad, very humble. I like that about him as well. Yeah, super excited, guys. You don't know, I haven't been doing this for a while, but it's like as soon as I stop and I'm not doing it, you know what I mean? I'm like super, like so edgy. You know what I mean? I'm just on the edge, just wanting to do it. Yeah, my apologies again. I just try and pick up the loose ends, yeah, leading up to Christmas. So, you know, a lot of things I have to do, a lot of things I want to say, so don't know, stay tuned. However, gotta get the kettlebell swinging, my friend. Let's do it.
You have to show me a demo of this, mate, because I've never done it before. Show me a quick demo.
Okay, so kettlebell swings.
Get out of his way and smash my head in.
Instead of going just up to eye height, what we're going to do, take it all the way up above the head and the head goes through the arms, comes back down, goes back up.
And for you sure it's a 150 or 15?
So 150.
150. Okay, let's do it. That was 38. So now I break, so now I have to do my press up, squat, 250 meters row. Crazy. Yo, that was tough. I would say the last 20 got me real good. Just doing this last bit, yeah, finishing off real quick. Keep going, mate, keep going. Good, mate, well done. Nice one. It's a good session though, I won't lie. So yeah, 150, when you said 150 straight away, I was like, yeah, this must be a joke. But I think what make it hard also, we'll be doing the press ups. In between that, as soon as we stop, we do the press up, the squat, and we do 250 meter row. So that was a killer. Overall, guys, good session. Really enjoyed. To be honest, I wasn't gonna come, but because I promised him last night, so I said, you know what, gotta step my game up, mate. And plus, also, I'm putting on a bit of tub around here, so I gotta get rid of that. But anyway, guys, good session. Just gonna tidy up now. How you find that, Dan? How you find it, bud?
I enjoyed it, you know. It was cheeky.
Yeah, no, which part you find the hardest though, like straight after the kettlebell? Or the press ups or the squat?
The press ups and the kettlebells.
Yeah.
You know, your arms go dead, your forearms go dead. You think it sounded easier than I thought it was. Yeah, it was cheeky, but it was a good start to the day.
Yeah, it was. Good start of the day, as what he said. And that's the same thing I said. Nice one, mate. Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers for that, bro. Alright then, guys, so we're just going to tidy up really quick, get changed. Today's a slightly busy day for me. I got regimental photo today. So I'm going to go back, get changed. That is going to be 10 o'clock. Go back, get changed in my working dress. And yeah, see what the day have in store for me. Should be good. Looking forward for it. As I'm saying, leading up to Christmas, it's my time, baby. So yeah, let's get some. He's done now. The boy's back. Fully feck. Looking dapper, innit?